Hi everyone, welcome to Sravanthi Academy. Let's understand mathematics. Next exercise 5D. First main, choose the correct answers. A problem 2x square minus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0 has. Here discriminant we have to find out. Depends upon discriminant only. We have to find out that is real roots are unequal roots are and imaginary roots are. We can find out. Here d is equal to what is the discriminant? B square minus 4ac. What is the b value here? Minus 3 whole square. 4 into a value is 2, c value is 1. Here 3 3 is 9 minus 4 2 is 8. 9 minus 1, 8. Here d greater than 0. D greater than 0 means roots are real and unequal roots or distinct roots. Next, first main B problem. Here this equation one value of x. Here one value of x only we have to find out. First the given equation we have to convert into quadratic equation. So how to convert? First LHS we have to take LCM. X of x minus 5. Here cross multiplication x minus 5 plus x equal to 3 by 10. Here x plus x 2x minus 5 by denominator x into x square minus x into 5 5x. This bracket multiply with x 3 by 10. Cross multiplication is to 10 of 2x minus 5 equal to 3 of x square minus 5x. Here this bracket multiply with 10. 10 into 2 20x minus 10 into 5 50 equal to 3 into x square 3x square minus 5 just 15. These two terms we have to shift right side. 3x square minus 15x minus 20x plus 50 equal to 0. Here x square term first 3x square. Here minus 15x plus 20x minus 35x plus 50 equal to 0. This is quadratic equation. We have to find out roots. Here a is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 35, c is equal to 50. Here first term into last term. 15 3 just 150. Product is 150. Sum is minus 35. 150 factors. Here 30 into 5. 35 just 150. 30 plus 5 35. Here minus 35 we need. So minus 30 minus 5. Instead of minus 35 x place we have to write minus 30 minus 5 by 5x. 3x square minus 30x minus 5x plus 50 equal to 0. Here first two terms what is the common? 3x is the common. Remaining here 3x common, remain one more x minus here 30x. 3 already common, remaining 10 is there. 10. Next two terms, what is the common? Minus 5 is the common. Remaining x minus 10 equal to 0. Here x minus 10, x minus 10, x minus 10 is the common, remaining 3x minus 5 equal to 0. Here x minus 10 equal to 0. Here 3x minus 5 equal to 0. X is equal to 10. Here x is equal to 5 by 3. Any one we can consider here. Next, first main C problem. Which of the following is correct for this equation? So some options they have given. In these options, which one is correct for this equation? First, we have to observe denominator. Here 1 by x minus 3. Here denominator 0 means that is undefined. 1 by 0 means undefined values. That values we have to find out first. Here 1 by 3 means x minus 3 is equal to 0. Means x is equal to 3 we will get. If you will substitute x is equal to 3, here 0 we will get. Next, x plus 5 equal to 0. So, x is equal to minus 5. Except these two numbers, remaining numbers we can consider here. These two numbers are undefined to this equation. So, where is that equations? Here, x equal to 3 we don't take. Here is there x not equal to 3. Here x is not equal to 5, but we need minus 5. X equal to 3, this is not possible. Here x not equal to minus 5, but x equal to 3 is not possible. X is not equal to 3 and x is not equal to minus 5. So third option is the correct. Next, the product D problem, the product of two integers is minus 8, minus 18. Product of two, any two integers we have to take, multiplying means minus 18 we have to write. So 2 9 just 18. Here minus 2 plus 9. Minus into plus minus 2 9 just 18. Otherwise here plus 2, here minus 9. So what are the factors here? Minus 2 comma plus 9 or plus 2 comma minus 9. These are the factors. Product of minus and minus. Solve this equation. Here hint they have given. Take x square is equal to y. So x power 4 we have to write x square whole square. Here 2x square whole square minus 5x square plus 3 equal to 0. So x square plus what we can write? 5y. 2y square minus 5y plus 3 equal to 0. A value is equal to 2, B value is equal to minus 5, C is equal to 3. Because this is quadratic equation. Here formula method we can use. Factorization method means we cannot get factors. So formula method we have to use. Y is equal to minus B plus minus root of B square minus 4AC by 2A. Here minus B value how much? Minus 5. Plus or minus root of B value is minus 5 whole square. 4 into A value is 2. C value is 3 by 2 into A value is 2 is equal to minus into minus plus 5 plus minus root of minus 5 whole square 25 minus 4 2 8 8 3 just 24 by 4 equal to 5 plus or minus root 1 by 4 equal to 5 plus or minus 1 by 4. This is one time plus one time minus we have to take. Y is equal to 5 plus 1 by 4 comma y is equal to 5 minus 1 by 4. Y is equal to 6 by 4. Here y is equal to 4 by 4. 4 1 just 4 1 just. Y is equal to 1. 2 2 just 2 3 just. Y is equal to 3 by 2. This is R. But we need x values here. So y is equal to what we took? X square. 3 by 2. Here x square is equal to 1. Here x is equal to plus or minus root 3 by 2. Here x is equal to plus or minus 1. These are the factors of x. Next third main, solve x power 4 minus 2x square minus 3 equal to 0. Here also x square whole square we can write 2x square minus 3 equal to 0. Here let x square is equal to y we have to consider. Here instead of x square place we should write y. Y square minus 2y minus 3 equal to 0. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 2, c is equal to minus 3. We have to compare with general form of the quadratic equation. Here formula method. Here y is equal to minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Minus b value is minus 2 plus minus root of b value is minus 2 whole square minus 4 into a value is 1, c value is minus 3 by 2 into a value is 1. Here minus into minus plus 2 plus minus root of 4 minus into minus plus 4 3 is 12 by here 2 is equal to 2 plus or minus root 16 by 2. Here root 16 perfect square 2 plus or minus 4 it will come. Here one time plus one time minus we have to take. Y is equal to 2 plus 4 by 2. Y is equal to 2 minus 4 by 2. Here y is equal to 6 by 2. Here y is equal to minus 2 by 2. 2 1 just 2 1 just y is equal to minus 1. Here 2 1 just 2 3 just y is equal to 3. Here y value is x square. X square is equal to 3. Here x square is equal to minus 1. X is equal to plus or minus root 3. Here x is equal to, here root minus 1 it will come. These are the next third main. Next fourth main first problem. Solve x square minus x whole square plus 5 of x square minus x plus 4 equal to 0. Here we have to observe bracket value is same, x square minus x. So we have to take, let x square minus x is equal to some y we have to consider. Substitute this bracket value y. Y square plus 5y plus 4 equal to 0. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to 5, c is equal to 4. Here factorization that we should try 1 into 4. 4 product is 4, sum is plus 5. 4 1 just 4 we can take, plus 4 plus 5 plus 1. Here y square plus 4y plus 1y plus 4 equal to 0. First two terms is the y is the common. Y plus 4. Next two terms plus 1 is the common. Y plus 4 equal to 0. Here y plus 4 is the common. Remaining terms we have to take in one bracket. Y plus 1 equal to 0. Here y plus 4 equal to 0. Y plus 1 is equal to 0. Y is equal to minus 4. Here y is equal to minus 1. Here r we have to write. Instead of y plus what we can write? X square minus x. Here x square minus x equal to minus 4. Here x square minus x equal to minus 1. Here minus 4 we have to shift left side. X square minus x plus 4 equal to 0. Again quadratic equation we got. Here also x square minus x plus 1 equal to 0. Two quadratic equation we got. So we have to solve this quadratic equation. We will use values. Here first equation. Here formula method we can apply. Minus b plus minus root. Factorization method we can apply here. Separate. Here x square minus x plus 4 equal to 0. Here product is 4, sum is minus 1. What are the factors? So no factors here. Formula method compulsory we have to use minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Here minus b value is minus 1 plus minus root of b value is minus 1 whole square minus 4 into a value is 1, c value is 4 by 2 into a value is 1. Minus into minus plus 1 plus or minus root of 1 square 1 minus 4 4 16 by 2. 1 plus or minus root minus 15 by 2. Next x square minus x plus 1 equal to 0. Here x is equal to, same formula we have to apply here, minus of minus 1 plus or minus, here b value is minus 1. Here minus 1 whole square minus 4 of a value is 1, c value is 1 by 2 into a value is 1. Minus into minus plus 1 plus or minus root of 1 square 1 minus 4 by 2. 1 plus or minus root 1 minus 4 minus 3 by 2. These are the x values. Next, fourth main second problem. Solve. Here x square minus 3x whole square. Two brackets they have given. Two brackets. This bracket value we have to take some y. Instead of this bracket we have to write y. Here y square minus 16y minus 36 equal to 0. Here first number into last number we have to multiply. Factorization method we have to apply. Product is minus 36. Sum is minus 16. 18 2 just. Here minus 16 we need. So big number is minus 18, small number is 2. Here y square minus 18y plus 2y minus 36 equal to 0. First two terms y is the common, remaining y minus 18. Next two terms plus 2 is the common, y minus 18 equal to 0. Again y minus 18 is the common, remaining y plus 2 equal to 0. Here y minus 18 equal to 0, y plus 2 equal to 0. Y is equal to 18, y is equal to minus 2. But y value what? X square minus 3x. X square minus 3x is equal to 18. 18 we have to shift left side. X square minus 3x minus 18 equal to 0. First we will solve this one. Next we will solve this one. Here how to write this? X square minus 3x is equal to minus 2. X square minus 3x plus 2 equal to 0. First this equation we have to take and find out x values. Here x square. Here product is minus 18. Sum is minus 3. We will take here x square minus 3x minus 18 equal to 0. Product is minus 18. Sum is minus 3. 2 9 just 18 factors. 18 factors, 2 9 just and 3 sixes. Here 3 sixes we can take. Here minus 3 we need. So minus 6 plus 3 we have to take. Here x square plus 3x minus 6x minus 18 equal to 0. Here first two terms x is the common, x plus 3. Next two terms minus 6 is the common, x plus 3 equal to 0. X plus 3, here x minus 6 equal to 0. Here x plus 3 equal to x 0. Here x minus 6 equal to 0. X is equal to minus 3. X is equal to plus 6. Here next equation x square minus 3x plus 2 equal to 0. First term and last term we have to multiply. 1 into 2. 2. Product is 2. Sum is minus 3. 2 1 jars we can take. 1 2 jars also. Here minus 3 we need. Minus 1 minus 2. Here x square minus 1x minus 2x plus 2 equal to 0. Here first two terms what is the common? X is the common, x minus 1. Next two terms minus 2 is the common, x minus 1 equal to 0. X minus 1 again common. Here x minus 2 equal to 0. X minus 1 equal to 0. X minus 2 equal to 0. X is equal to 1. X is equal to 2. X is equal to 1, x equal to 2, x equal to minus 3, x is equal to 6. These are the factors of given equation. Next, fifth main first problem. Solve this equation. We have to find out x value. We should observe here root of x by x minus 3. Here reverse order reciprocal they have given. This value we have to take from x or y. Let's here root of x by x minus 3 is equal to some y we have to consider. Instead of this place we have to write y. Y plus here reciprocal 1 by y we have to take is equal to 5 by y. LCM y cross multiplication y square plus 1 is equal to 5 by 2. Cross multiplication you should do here 2 into y square 2y square plus 2 into 1 2 is equal to 5 into y 5y. 5y we have to shift left side. 2y square minus 5y plus 2 equal to 0. Here product is 4. 2 2 is 4. Sum is minus 5. What are the factors? 4 1 is 4. Here minus 5 minus 4 minus 5. 2y square minus 4y minus 1y here plus 2 equal to 0. Here first two terms 2y is the common, remaining y minus 2. Next two terms minus 1 is the common, remaining y minus 2 equal to 0. Here y minus 2 into here 2y minus 1 we can write. Here y minus 2 equal to 0. Here 2y minus 1 equal to 0. Here y equal to 2. Here y is equal to 1 by 2 it will come. But instead of y plus what we can write? This we have to substitute. Y is equal to 2. We have to take first y plus root of x by minus 3 equal to 0. We have to remove that square. So both sides we have to do squaring on both sides. The squaring on both sides. Here x by x minus 3 whole square is equal to 2 square. Square root cancel. Here x by x minus 3 is equal to 2 4. Here cross multiplication. You should fill 1 here. Here x is equal to 4x minus 12. This x value we have to shift right side. 12 we have to shift left side. Here 4x minus x is equal to 12 it will come. Here 3x is equal to 12. X is equal to 12 by 3. 3 1 3 4 just x is equal to 4. This is one value. Next second one, y is equal to 1 by 2 we have to take 1 by 2. Y means root of x by x minus 3. X by x minus 3 equal to 1 by 2. Squaring on both sides. Here x by x minus 3 whole square is equal to 1 by 2 whole square. Square root to cancel. Remaining x by x minus 3 is equal to 1 by 2. Cross multiplication. 2 into x. 2x is equal to 1 into x minus 3. X minus 3. X we have to shift left side. 2x minus x is equal to minus 3. 2x minus x. X equal to minus 3. X equal to minus 3. X is equal to 4. Next, fifth main second problem. Here we have to observe bracket 2x minus 3 by x minus 1. Here x minus 1 by 2x minus 3. Reciprocal they have given. So bracket value we have to take some y. Substitute in this equation. Y minus 4 into. Here reciprocal they have given 1 by y is equal to 3. Here LCM we have to take y. Cross multiplication y square minus 4 equal to 3. Here y we have to send right side. Y square minus 4 equal to 3y. 3 we have to shift left side. Y square minus 3y minus 4 equal to 0. Factorization method we have to apply and you should find out y values. Product is minus 4, sum is minus 3. Here 4 1 just we can take. Here minus 3. So minus 4 plus 1. Substitute instead of minus 3y plus we have to write these two numbers. Y square minus 4y plus 1y minus 4 equal to 0. First two terms y is the common, y minus 4. Next two terms plus 1 is the common, y minus 4 equal to 0. Here y minus 4, here y plus 1 we can write is equal to 0. Y minus 4 equal to 0. Here y plus 1 equal to 0. Here y is equal to 4. Y is equal to minus 1. But y value how much here? 2x minus 3 by x minus 1. We have to substitute instead of y plus. Y is equal to 4. We have to take first. Here 2x minus 3 by x minus 1 equal to 4. Cross multiplication. 2x minus 3 is equal to 4 into x, 4x minus 4 into y, 4. This x value we have to shift right side, minus 4 we have to shift left side. 4x minus 2x is equal to 4 minus 3. 4x minus 2x, 2x equal to 4 minus 1, 3. X is equal to 1 by 2. Next second one, y is equal to minus 1. Y place we should write 2x minus 3 by x minus 1. 2x minus 3 by x minus 1 equal to minus 1. Cross multiplication. Here 2x minus 3 is equal to, here minus 1 into x minus 1x, minus into minus plus 1 into 1, 1. Here minus 1x we have to shift left side, minus 3 we have to send right side. 2x plus 1x equal to 3 plus 1. Here 3x is equal to 4, x is equal to 4 by 3. These are the factors in third problem. Here 3x plus 1 by x plus 1. Here x plus 1 by 3x plus 1. So bracket value we have to consider y. 3x plus 1 by x plus 1 equal to y. Substitute here y plus 1 by y is equal to 5 by 2. Here LHS we have to take LCM. Y is the LCM. Y square plus 1 equal to 5 by 2. Cross multiplication 2 into y square. 2y square plus 2 equal to 5y. 5y we have to shift left side. 2y square minus 5y plus 2 equal to 0. Now we have to apply factorization method. 2 2 just 4. Product is 4. Sum is minus 5. What are the factors of 4? 4 1 just. Here minus 5 we need. So minus 4 minus 1. 2y square minus 4y minus 1y plus 2 equal to 0. First two terms, what is the common? 2y is the common. Remaining y minus 2. Next two terms, minus 1 is the common. Y minus 2 equal to 0. Here y minus 2 is the common. Remaining two terms, 2y minus 1 is equal to 0. Here y minus 2 equal to 0. Here 2y minus 1 equal to 0. Y is equal to 2. Here y is equal to 1 by 2. But y value is 3x plus 1 by x plus 1. First we have to consider this one. Y is equal to 2. Substitute y value 3x plus 1 by x plus 1 equal to 2. Here cross multiplication we have to do. Otherwise x plus 1 we have to send right side. 3x plus 1 is equal to 2 of x plus 1. 3x plus 1 equal to, this bracket multiply with 2. 2x plus 2. X values one side, constant values one side we have to shift. 2x is equal to 2 minus 1. Here 3x minus 2x, 1x is equal to 2 minus 1, 1. This is the x value. Next y is equal to 1 by 2. Here y value is 3x plus 1 by x plus 1 equal to 2. Cross multiplication 3 2 ja 6x plus 2 into 1 2 equal to x plus 1. X values one side, constant values one side. 6x minus x equal to 1 minus 2. Here 5x equal to minus. Next sixth main, solve 9 of x square plus 1 by x square minus 9 of x plus 1 by x minus 52 equal to 0. We have observed here this bracket both are different. First we have to take x plus 1 by x is equal to some y. X plus 1 by x is equal to some y we have to take. Squaring on both sides because we need this value. Squaring on both sides. Here x plus 1 by x whole square is equal to y square. A plus b whole square formula we have to apply. X square plus 1 by x square plus 2 into x into 1 by x equal to y square. X cancel. Remaining x square plus 1 by x square equal to plus 2 we have to send right side. Y square minus 2. Now we got this value and this bracket value. Both we have to substitute in this equation. Here 9 of x square plus 1 by x square value is y square minus 2. Minus 9. This bracket value is y. Minus 52 equal to 0. This bracket we have to multiply with 9. 9y square minus 18 minus 9y minus 52 equal to 0. Here y square term is first. 9y square, y term 9y. Here minus 18 minus 52. 8 plus 2, 10. Here 7, 0. Here factorization method we have to do 9 into 630. Product is 630. Sum is minus 9. Here what are the factors? Yes, 630, 30, 21 just. Here minus 9. So minus 30 plus 21. 9y square minus 30y plus 21y minus 70 equal to 0. First two terms, what is the common? 9 is the common. 3y is the common. 3y minus 10. Next to 2 terms, what is the common? Here 3y, here 7 common. Here 7 3 just minus 10 equal to 0. Here 3y minus 10. Here 3y plus 7 equal to 0. Here y is equal to 10 by 3 it will come. Here y is equal to minus 7 by 3. First we have to take y is equal to 10 by 3. 10 by 3. So y value what? X plus 1 by x. X plus 1 by x equal to 10 by 3. LCM we have to take. X is the LCM. Cross multiplication x square plus 1 equal to 10 by 3. Cross multiplication 3x square plus 3 equal to 10x. This 10x we have to shift left side. 3x square minus 10x plus 3 equal to 0. Again factorization method we have to apply and find out x values. Here 3 3 is 9. Product is 9. Sum is minus 10. 9 1 just. Here minus 9 minus 1. 3x square minus 9x minus 1x plus 3 equal to 0. First 2 terms. 3x is the common. Here x minus 3. Next 2 terms minus 1 is the common. X minus 3. Again x minus 3 is the common. 3x minus 1 equal to 0. Here x minus 3 equal to 0. 3x minus 1 equal to 0. X equal to 3. Here x is equal to 1 by 3. Next y is equal to minus 7 by 3 we have to take. Y is equal to minus 7 by 3. Here y value is x plus 1 by x equal to minus 7 by 3. LCM is x. Here x square plus 1 equal to minus 7 by 3. Cross multiplication 3x square plus 3 minus 7x. Plus minus 7x we have to shift left side. 3x square plus 7x plus 3 equal to 0. Here 3 3 is 9. Product is 9. Sum is plus 7. Here what are the factors? We cannot get factors. Factorization method we cannot do. So formula method we can apply here. Minus b. Here minus 7 plus or minus root of b value is 7 whole square minus 4 into a value is 3, c value is 3 by 2 into 3. Here minus 7 plus or minus root of 49 minus 4 3 just 12, 12 3 is 36 by 6 minus 7 plus or minus root of 49 minus 36. Here 3, 1, 13 it will come. So this is not real number. Root 13 value we will check in logarithm books and we will substitute here and we will get x values. These are the factors of given equation. Solve x square plus 1 by x square minus 3 of x minus 1 by x minus 2 equal to 0. Same type of problem before we did. How to do this one? Let x minus 1 by x is equal to some y we have to take squaring on both sides. Here x minus 1 by x whole square equal to y square. Here a minus b whole square formula we have to apply. We need this value x square plus 1 by x square minus 2 into x into 1 by x equal to y square. Here x cancel, remaining x square plus 1 by x square. Minus 2 we have to shift right side. Y square plus 2. So this value we have to substitute here. Here y square plus 2. Here minus 3 of this value is y. Minus 2 equal to 0. Here y square minus 3y plus 2 minus 2 cancel equal to 0. Here what is the common? Y is the common. Y minus 3 equal to 0. Here y is equal to 0 and y minus 3 equal to 0. Y is equal to 0. Here y is equal to 3. Y value means x minus 1 by x is equal to y. Here x minus 1 by x equal to 0. LCM we have to take. X is the LCM. X square minus 1 equal to 0. X we have to shift right side. X square minus 1 equal to 0. X square is equal to 1. X is equal to plus or minus 1 it will come. Next one more. Y is equal to 3. Here y value is x minus 1 by x equal to 3. Here LCM, x is the LCM, x square minus 1 equal to 3. X we have to shift right side, x square minus 1 is equal to 3x. 3x we have to shift left side, x square minus 3x minus 1 equal to 0. Here factors we cannot find out, so formula method we have to use. Here minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. ABC values we have to substitute here. Minus B value is minus 3 plus minus root of B value is minus 3 whole square minus 4 into A value is 1, C value is minus 1 by 2 into A value is 1. Minus into minus plus 3 plus or minus root of minus 3 whole square 9 minus into minus plus 4 by 2. Here 3 plus or minus root 13 by 2. These are the factors of given equation. Question: solve x square plus 5x plus 4. Here also x square plus 5x plus 6 equal to 120. Here we have to take x square plus 5x is equal to y. They have given hint. We can use this condition y plus 4. Here y plus 6 equal to 120. These are binomial terms. We have to multiply y into y square plus 6 into y 6y plus 4 into y 4y plus 4 6 are 24. This 120 we have to shift left side minus 120 equal to 0. Here y square plus 10y. Here 120 minus 24. Here minus 10 minus 4, 6. Here 11 minus 2, 9, 96 it will come. Here factorization method, minus 96. Product is minus 96. Sum is plus 10. So 16 6s 96 and plus 10. So plus 16 minus 6 we have to take. Y square plus 16y minus 6y minus 96 equal to 0. Here first two terms y is the common, y plus 16. Next two terms minus 6 is the common, y plus 16 equal to 0. Y plus 16 common, here y minus 6 equal to 0 it will come. Y plus 16 equal to 0. Here y minus 6 equal to 0. Y is equal to minus 16. Y is equal to 6. First we have to take y value. Here x square plus 5x is equal to minus 16. Minus 16 we have to shift left side. X square plus 5x plus 16 equal to 0. Here factors we have to find out. Next here also same thing. X square plus 5x equal to 6. X square plus 5x minus 6 equal to 0. Here first one x square plus 5x plus 16 equal to 0. Here formula method we can apply. Here minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4 into a value is 1, c value is 16 by 2 into a value is 1 minus 5 plus minus root of 5 5 is 24, 5 5 is 25 minus 16 4 is 64 by 2 minus 5 plus minus root of minus here 64 plus 25 minus 64 25. Here 14 minus 5 9 it will come 4 here 5 minus 2 30. 39 by 2. Negative value we came inside of the root. Next here x square plus 5x minus 6 equal to 0. Factorization method minus 6. Product is minus 6. Sum is plus 5. So 6 1 just. Here plus 5 we need. Here plus minus we have to take x square plus 6x minus 1x minus 6 equal to 0. First two terms x is the common, remaining x plus 6. Next two terms minus 1 is the common, x plus 6. Again x plus 6 is the common, x minus 1 equal to 0. X plus 6 equal to 0. X minus 1 equal to 0. Here x equal to minus 6. x is equal to 1. These are the factors of given equation. Next, ninth problem. Solve 2 of 2x minus 1 by x plus 3. We should observe bracket values only. 2x minus 1 by x plus 3. Here x plus 3 by 2x minus 1. Reciprocal they have given. So first we have to take some, let 2x minus 1 by x plus 3 is equal to some y we have to take. Substitute in this equation 2y minus 3 of 1 by y. This is reciprocal is equal to 5. Here LCM we have to take, y is the LCM. Here 2y square minus 3 equal to 5. Cross multiplication. Y we have to shift right side. 2y square minus 3 equal to 5y. 5y we have to shift left side. 2y square minus 5y minus 3 equal to 0. Here factorization method, 2 3 just minus 6. Product is minus 6, sum is minus 5. 6 1 just 6. Here minus 5 minus 6 plus 1. 2y square minus 6y plus 1y minus 3 equal to 0. First two terms, 2y is the common, remaining y minus 3. Next two terms plus 1 is the common, y minus 3 equal to 0. Y minus 3 common, here 2y plus 1 equal to 0. Y minus 3 equal to 0. 2y plus 1 equal to 0. Y equal to 3. Here y is equal to minus 1 by 2. First we have to take y is equal to 3. Y is equal to 3. Y value 2x minus 1 by x plus 3. 2x minus 1 by x plus 3 equal to 3. Cross multiplication. Here 2x minus 1 is equal to 3 of x plus 3. This bracket multiply with 3. 2x minus 1 equal to 3x plus 9. All x values one side, constant values one side we have to take. Here 3x minus 2x equal to minus 1 minus 9. X is equal to minus 10. Next, y is equal to minus 1 by 2. Y value is 2x minus 1 by x plus 3 equal to minus 1 by 2. Cross multiplication, 2 of 2x minus 1 equal to minus 1 of x plus 3. Here 2 2 ja 4x minus 2 equal to minus x minus 3. Here x value we have to shift left side, minus 2 we have to shift right side. 4x plus x is equal to minus 3 plus 2. Here 5x is equal to minus 1. X is equal to minus 1 by 5. These are the next 10th question. Solve 5 power x plus 1 plus 5 to the power of 2 minus x equal to 5 cube plus 1. The exponential forms they have given. We can use the exponential formulas. First we have to see here 5 cube plus 1. How to write? 5 cube plus 1. 5 cube. 5 into 5 into 5. 125 plus 1. So 126. This value is 126. Here 5 to the power of x plus 1 plus 5 to the power of 2 minus x is equal to 126. Here a to the power of m plus n formula. A to the power of m into a to the power of n. This we can use here. Next a to the power of m minus n. A to the power of m by a to the power of n. These two formulas we have to apply here. 5 to the power of x into 5 to the power of 1 plus 5 square by 5 to the power of x equal to 126. Here let 5 to the power of x is equal to some y we have to take. Here 5y plus 5 square means 25 by y equal to 126. LCM we have to take y. Here 5y square plus 25 equal to 126. Y we have to shift right side. 5y square plus 25 equal to 126y. 126y we have to shift left side. Here 5y square minus 126y plus 25 equal to 0. Factorization method we have to apply here. Here 5 into 25. 25 5 just 125. Product is 125. Sum is minus 126. 125 1 just 125 just. Here minus 126. So minus we have to take 5y square. Here minus 1y minus 125y plus 25 equal to 0. First two terms, what is the common? Y is the common. 5y minus 1. Next two terms, minus 25 is the common. Remaining here 5y minus 1 equal to 0. Here 5y minus 1 is the common. Here y minus 25 is equal to 0. Here 5y minus 1 equal to 0, comma, y minus 25 equal to 0. Here y is equal to 1 by 5. Here y is equal to 25. But y value is 5 power x. 5 power x is equal to 1 by 5. 5 power x is equal to 1 by 5. How to write? This is denominator. Numerator it will come is minus 1 it will come. Here base values are same. Powers equal it will come. X equal to minus 1. Here y is equal to 5 square. We can y value how much? 5 power x. Here 25. 5 power x is equal to 25 means 5 square we can write. Here also base values are same. Powers equal it will come. X is equal to 2. X equal to minus 1. X equal to 2. These are the